Alrighty, y'all. So, what was it? Like a month ago, Dan reached out and he was like, yo, your boy's got time off. We should do a dope road trip.
Put this on me. Put this on me. I reached out to him like 6 months ago.
Oh, yeah.
And we put it on the calendar, but then like a month ago, we were like, yo, we should actually do this.
We decided to go all the way east this time. So instead of going out west, we're going all the way to
Acadia National Park, baby.
Gonna enjoy the sights of beautiful Acadia.
1 week.
You just spit everywhere.
We're driving 10 hours from Cleveland today. We're about 4 hours in. We're getting to Boston tonight. And then tomorrow spend the day in Boston. And then another 4 hours to Acadia. Then spend the rest of the time there. And we'll see what the park has in store for us. So it's good to be back, yo.
Should be a good trip.
We're almost there. Have some dinner and then go set up camp and
Or hammocks.
Or hammocks.
We might just hammock
TBH, that'd be sweet. I got this white monster and Jake got his Red Bull, so we're gonna be good to go. Turn it up, yeah, dog.
Yo, we just had a really good dinner after driving what didn't feel like 10 hours. It felt like,
Yeah, it felt like 5 hours.
yeah, like a 4 or 5 hour drive, but I actually did 10. Now we have another 40-minute drive to the campsite, and then I think we're gonna try and hammock it. Some sort of weird parking garage interview going on here.
What's up, Boston?
So this is the setup we're rolling with, guys. We got our two, what are they called? Two hammocks, bro.
You know this, bro, come on.
But basically, got these two set up on the tree to the Jeep bars. Easy setup. Hopefully we don't get eaten, or the Jeep bars don't crack. You know, there's one of the things that could go wrong, but that's with anything in life, bro. Sometimes you just gotta send it.
I got one thing to say. Red Bull ladies, if you're out there,
Wait.
what's up?
Oh, Lord. So, in what is potentially the most classic first night attempt ever, it rained on us for like 2 minutes, so we got nervous and shifted to inside the Jeep from the hammocks. And then it never rained again. Sleeping bags in the Jeep using the sleeping steel plate that I got created, so it's pretty decent. Slept pretty well. It's beautiful outside. It's like, feels like mid-70. We can go explore Boston.
Got it?
Got it. Close call, bro. Almost missed that state line.
feel to be in Maine, bro?
I feel like I need a main course.
I like that the center line's the split.
Yeah, me too, right?
Alright guys, this is the setup for tonight. We are out in Acadia National Park. Got the Jeep parked up here. This is the Blackwoods campground. It's like a beautiful low 60s right now. Got the tent set up in no time at all. We have this campsite for just one night, so super quick stay. I know we didn't vlog a whole lot today, but we're gonna fill you guys in on what all went down, and hopefully you enjoyed some of that B-roll. But pretty much now the camping content's gonna be starting, so get excited about that, and we will talk to you guys tomorrow from Acadia National Park.